This thing here is supposed to keep the birds away. Is it true? But this one's not the battery operated. I just got this one jammed in to a tent pole. Just sitting there to find out what it looks like spinning. Come on, Win. I'm thinking about just putting it on the house kind of thing, because we always get birds going underneath, shitting on the car all the time. There we go. Keep spinning. And the glare off it with the sun. When we're spinning, see the glare on the car. Come on, spin. I might look for a battery operated one. Runs on solar power. If it's not windy, it won't spin. This one's only a really cheap one. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll go on YouTube, have a look, some good ones, and try to get one on eBay.